Listen carefully because this might save you lakhs of rupees and months of your time. Every year, thousands of people try to go to Italy for work, but most of them fail. Why? Because they trust agents, they pay money, and in the end, they get nothing. But here is the truth. Italy does give work visas. Real companies do hire foreign workers. And yes, you can apply yourself without any agent, but only if you know the right websites and the right companies. In today's video, I will show you the best trusted websites to find Italy visa sponsorship jobs, the real companies that hire foreign workers, and the exact strategy to apply successfully. No fake promises, no shortcuts, only real information. All your issues regarding visa sponsorship jobs to Italy will be solved today, and you no need agents to apply for you. You can do at your own self. So watch this video till the end because one small mistake can destroy your chances. First, understand how Italy work visa really works. Before I show you websites, you must understand this. Italy mostly hires foreign workers through something called Decreto Flussi. This is a government program where Italy opens work permits every year. Important points: limited number of workers allowed, mostly seasonal jobs, agriculture, tourism, some non-seasonal jobs, construction, logistics, factories. This means you cannot randomly go to Italy and get a job. You need a company ready to hire you. That company applies for your work permit, then you apply for visa. Simple. So your main goal is find a company that is ready to sponsor you. Best top websites to find jobs in Italy. Now let's talk about the most important part. These websites are real, trusted, and used in Italy. Let's start with one of best and authentic website. Number 1, LinkedIn. This is the #1 website for international jobs. Why it is powerful? Big companies hire here. You can connect with HR directly. Many jobs mention visa sponsorship. How to use? Search Italy visa sponsorship jobs, foreign workers Italy, seasonal jobs Italy. Pro tip: make a strong profile. Add skills, upload professional photo, apply daily. Send CV directly to HR managers with professional email. Number 2, Indeed. Very simple and easy website. Why good? Thousands of job listings, many entry-level jobs, filter by location, Italy. Search like factory worker Italy, hotel jobs Italy, farm jobs Italy, visa sponsorship. Number 3, Yours. This is official European Union job portal. Very important website. Why? Government supported, real employers only, safe and trusted. You can find seasonal jobs, skilled jobs, employer contact details. Best for beginners. Number 4, Glassdoor. Not only jobs, but also salary information, company reviews, interview tips. This helps you avoid fake companies, understand real working conditions. Number 5, InfoJobs. This is popular inside Italy. Mostly local companies post here. Use Google Translate if needed. Best for factory jobs, warehouse jobs, entry-level work. Number 6, Subito. This is like OLX in Italy. You can find small business jobs, seasonal work, quick hiring jobs. Be careful, some fake posts also exist. Never pay money. If you still not subscribed my this channel, then please subscribe now and hit the bell icon for more visa and immigration updates because on my this channel, you will get authentic and real information about visa and immigration updates. Now, continue our today video. Real companies that hire foreign workers in Italy. Now, the most important part. Companies. Which companies can help you to land in Italy with visa sponsorship jobs? These companies sometimes hire foreign workers, especially in labor, logistics, food, and agriculture sectors. Number 1, Ferrero, famous for Nutella, Kinder. They hire factory workers, packaging staff. Number 2, Fiat, big automotive company. Jobs, manufacturing, mechanical roles. Number 3, Barilla, famous pasta brand. Jobs, food production, packaging. Number 4, DHL, international company. Jobs, warehouse worker, delivery support. Number 5, hotels and tourism companies. Italy has many hotels. Jobs, cleaning, kitchen helper, reception. Basic English required. Number 6, agriculture companies. Very important. Most foreign workers go here. Jobs, fruit picking, farming, greenhouse work. These jobs often come under Decreto Flussi. Big warning, don't make this mistake. Listen carefully. No company will ask you visa fee, job fee, processing charges. If someone says, pay money, I will give you Italy job, this is 100% scam. I already make detailed video on Italy work visa and Italy seasonal jobs too. If you've not seen those videos, then check my channel playlist link in description box. There you will get information about Italy work visa and seasonal jobs, and also lots of other countries' visa and immigration updates. Now, continue our today video. Step-by-step strategy to get job. Follow this real strategy. Step 1, prepare documents. CV and cover letter, simple and clean. Europass format. Passport, basic English. Step 2, apply daily. Apply at least 10 jobs per day. Use all websites. Step 3, email companies directly. Find company email and send. CV and cover letter. Short message, professional. Step 4, wait and follow up. Check email daily. Reply quickly. Step 5, employer applies for work permit. After selection, company applies in Italy, you wait for approval. Extra tips: learn basic Italian words, avoid fake agents, be patient, takes time, not in hurry. Apply during Decreto Flussi season. So now you know the truth. Italy jobs are possible, but only if you follow the right way. Not shortcuts, not agents, not fake promises. Just right websites, right companies, right strategy, patience. Maybe there are other companies and authentic websites too to get Italy visa sponsorship jobs, but above which I shared, these more authentic, and you must check other companies and websites too, but never pay money. Always check Italy official sources and websites to get information, then apply, because rules, costs, and regulations can be changed at any time. If you found this video helpful, like the video, subscribe for real visa guides, and comment below Italy if you like this video. See you in the next video with another informative visa topic. Until then, be happy, apply smartly, and remember, never give up on your dream of moving abroad.